G'day everyone. Have you ever been in that boat where you want some greasy takeaway food, but you're looking at your bank account and it's screaming at you? You cannot afford this. Well, it's citrus time here in Australia, and I had to take a bookmark from Chef Andy Kao and had to make some orange chicken. Let's start off with our chicken. So you're going to need at least 5 thighs for this recipe. So chop those up roughly. You're looking about 2 to 3 centimeters in sizing, give or take, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now it's time to get juicing. So you're going to need a cup's worth of orange juice. So that's roughly 1.5 oranges for myself personally. All right, now let's move on to our sauce. So you're going to need your cup of orange juice with a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, half a teaspoon of chili oil, 2 to 4 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of minced ginger, and once you got all that, thoroughly mix that all through until everything is well incorporated. Moving over to our dredge prepping. So we'll need to start with our wets, where we're going to get 3 eggs and thoroughly mix them through. After you've done that, now for our dry dredging. You're going to need half a cup of potato starch or cornstarch and half a cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to thoroughly mix that through so that all the potato starch and as well as the flour are all combined. Time to dredge. In a freezer bag, put your eggs in with your chicken, salt and pepper, and shake it all up until it's all coated. Same thing to repeat in a new bag. Put your cornstarch and flour and all of your chicken in, and we're going to keep on shaking and mixing and getting all of that coated over to our chicken until it's evenly coated. Let's get our chicken all fried up. So usually you deep fry this, but I didn't have enough oil on hand at the time, so I'm just shallow frying it for up to 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure you do real small batches because you want to make sure that you don't reduce the heat of your oil. Once you've done that, on a plate with paper towels, pop that over to cool off. Okay, time to get saucy and heat up our sauce. Make sure beforehand with 1/4 of your sauce to mix in 2 tablespoons of starch. This will help thicken up your sauce. Once you've done that, you're going to be putting everything into a small saucepan and turning that on to a medium heat and keep on stirring until it gets to a boil. Once that's happened, we're just going to wait until everything thickens up. Whilst you're waiting for your sauce, toast up some sesame seeds until they're nice and golden brown. This should take about up to 2 to 3 minutes. Our dish is nearly complete. In the same wok, turn off your heat and add in your chicken and sauce. Once you've done that, toss and turn and throw everything together until it's all evenly coated. Alrighty, let's get this all served up. On a bed of rice and vegetables, you want to put a generous pile of orange chicken on top. I went absolutely crazy with this because it's a takeaway dish. You want to spoil yourself. And because we're going a little extra fancy, put a generous zesting of orange zest on top and a sprinkling of scallions or spring onions, whichever you prefer to call them. Either way, this is going to make a difference. But that's it. That is how you make orange chicken. It is such a simple and delicious meal that anyone can make at home. But the plus side is that you're not going to be breaking your bank when you make this. I hope that you enjoyed this meal, and please like and share this around.